We'll go look at the boiler plant for elementary building. This is a nice warm room when it's minus 30 in the wintertime. These are our 2 Fulton gas boilers for the elementary. Kind of showing their age as well. The fuel oil boiler, smaller than the high school. I don't even know that if we had to run fuel oil, if we could afford to run fuel oil the way fuel prices are right now. What they want to do is retrofit this building with hot water boilers here, remove all this stuff. This is a condensate pump. The return water from the steam comes back. Having a water softener above all this hasn't been good for over the years. All the conduits are rusty and kind of cruddy. I don't know if we really want to dare even work on that, you know, or touch it for that matter. We'll spin around the backside. Again, old, you know, boiler. Old stuff. It's kind of like the high school, only it's smaller scale. Periodically got to do a little work on boiler. As you can see, we have some wrenches. Never know if it's going to run or not. Make steam, make heat.
For complete details regarding the upcoming referendum, please visit the district website.